Okay, let's now look at this question. The question asks for which diagram best demonstrates the use of moment of the force. In order for us to determine whether it's talking about turning effect due to a force, there has to be three things present. Okay, the first is the pivot. There must be a turning point. Okay, secondly, there has to be a force applied. Okay, and lastly, you need to have a perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the pivot. So let us now look at all the options now. Okay, look at option A. There isn't any pivot because it's just free fall acting down. At most there's a weight that's acting down, that's pulling it down, and air resistance which is opposing the motion, which is acting up. So there isn't any pivot in this option A. Let us now look at option B. Option B, this man is trying to lift up this object on the left using a crowbar, and you notice carefully there's actually a pivot here because the pivot is actually a fixed turning point. So when this man is pushing down with a force, the weight actually is able to move up. So this is a possible answer, and there is actually a perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the pivot. So three things are present: pivot, force applied which is pushing it down, and there's a perpendicular distance from the line of action of this force to the pivot. Okay, so this is present. Okay, so in this case my best answer will be option B. Okay, that's all for this question.